Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post on TikTok for everyone to see. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open up our TikTok application. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can start to create a new post on TikTok. Click on this plus button to start creating new post. And here you can take a photo or a video with a TikTok camera, or you can also upload a photo or video from your device. And for me, I'm just going to upload a photo from my device. For example, I'm gonna go with this photo. Okay, and after that we can click on settings, and if you want to post on TikTok for everyone to see, you have to select everyone right here, so everyone can view your post, or your post can be found by everyone on TikTok. Okay, and after that you just need to click on next right here and click on post to post your photo to your TikTok. Alright guys, and that's how we can post on TikTok for everyone to see. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.